Welcome to the instructional video on how to confirm your extra time accommodation has been added for your online exam through the Learn Dropbox. If you have a test or assignment that you must first download, complete, and submit in a certain time frame through the Learn Dropbox, you will want to ensure your extra time accommodation has been added. You can ensure your instructor has manually adjusted your writing time in Learn by following these simple steps. Log into your Learn profile and select the course that you have an upcoming assignment or exam in. Once on the course homepage, go to Submit at the top of the page and then select Dropbox from the drop-down menu. Next, select the assignment that you wish to review. This will bring you to the exam summary page that will have all the information about the exam, including the start and end date and time for submitting the assignment. Once the assignment start time begins, you will be able to download the exam or assignment file. Once you've completed the assignment or exam, you can add the file, add any additional comments to the text box, and then click Submit. In this example, the amount of time provided is 4 hours. If the normal writing time for your class is 3 hours and you have 20 minutes per hour additional time as an accommodation, then your instructors provide the accommodation of 1 additional hour. If your instructor did not modify your time in Learn for this exam, you should connect with them directly to ensure the extra time is added. There may be times when your instructor has adopted universal learning design principles. For example, they may extend the writing time for everyone, allowing everyone an additional 30 minutes per hour, or they may reduce the amount of content that will be covered within the time test so as to build an additional time into the original time slot. Universal learning design provides access for all, so no additional accommodations may be required. Your instructor should let your class know if they've adopted a universal learning design approach. You can talk to your instructor or your accommodation consultant if you have any questions. We have included a link to an extra time calculation rubric in the description section of the video to assist you in determining how much extra time you should be awarded for your each timed evaluation. If you have any questions regarding your exam accommodations, please connect with our office at access@urlu.ca.